Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Creative African Cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa, and my name is Fafa Gilbert. And today on the menu I do have this beautiful simple recipe that I know would go straight to your heart, like ubaye, ubidi. You will eat it, you will enjoy it. Textures, forms, flavors. What do you want? It's all here. Now, if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, you're doing yourself a great disservice. Anyway, I hope you've clicked that subscribe button like now. Thank you. And also the notification button, the one next to it. Ding dong. Yes. I'm here. Let's start cooking.
So today we're actually going to be making this beautiful Moinmoin recipe. It's gluten-free, it's made out of black-eyed beans that is peeled and is steamed. So it's like a black-eyed bean steamed pudding. It's just incredible and fluffy and packed with flavors. And of course, I do love my infusions. Now let's start cooking. So for this recipe, I actually got these already peeled black-eyed beans from a local grocer. They are readily available, but equally, if you do have your whole black-eyed beans and you want to peel it, you need to watch my Akara recipe, which would actually show you the step-by-step guide on how to actually take the husk or the skins off your black-eyed beans. Now, once you've actually got the skins off, of course, before you get the skins off, you have to soak it. Or if you actually get to the black-eyed beans whereby the skin's are already taken off, then you need to soak it. So I have soaked it for about an hour in warm water, and it's now ready for me to actually blend. Now, this is like a shabu shabu food. So here I've actually got my black-eyed beans that I'm actually adding to my blender. And to that I'm adding some onions and then my red peppers. Now, if you've actually watched my Karahi Stew recipe, I actually had some left. So I'm actually using the remaining of my Karahi Stew. So that's just like packed with flavors and spices. And I've just added that to it. And I'm actually going to blend this together to form this beautiful, creamy and fluffy consistency. Now just add enough water just to allow your blender to be able to blend this mixture into this beautiful creamy consistency. Now you notice I'm actually blending in a different part of the house today. All because I had to improvise. The electrics actually went off in the entire downstairs of the house, and one had to improvise. So yes, I had to get an extension lead, and oh yes, of course, nothing stops me from filming. You see how I care for you guys. Anyway, so you blend it till you actually have this beautiful fluffy consistency, as you can see here. And you know, the stew, the Karahi stew, trust me, it's a recipe you have to try, because the flavor that it actually lent this dish was just incredible. It just lifted it up. So of course, the red peppers that I actually added, I also had some habanero chili included. So it is spicy as well. Now to this, I'm actually going to add some eggs. And I'm also adding some smoked paprika. Now the smoked paprika gives it the smokiness, and the egg would actually allow this to also be fluffy. And I'm just mixing it together to actually have this light consistency. Now the reason why I'm actually beating this is I like my Moi Moi to actually be fluffy. So when you beat it, you're actually introducing more air to it, and that's what would actually allow you to actually have that fluffiness. Now I'm actually doing my shenanigans again, because of course when it's fluffy, I also like to have my crunch. So you see, it's all about these textures and flavors and forms and stuff. So yes, I've actually got some mixed peppers that I've diced, and I've just added that to it. And I left in that beautiful chunk, and I think it was just beautiful. So at this point, you would think that, oh, she's done. Oh, no. I decided to add something else. So I've just added some beautiful powdered shrimp, which is just incredible, because this then gives the dish this fishiness, but it's not too powerful. It's just so. And you know, the smoked paprika gives this dish as well, that smokiness, and you've got the crunch from the peppers, which gives it a refreshing taste as well. I mean, seriously, like this is some infusion going on here. Karahi stew is in here. Hey, Ndudu by Fafa. So at this point, preheat your oven to 180 degrees and also boil your kettle. Now, what I've actually done here is buttered some ramekins, and I'm actually portioning my Moi Moi mixture into each ramekin. Just ensure that it's evenly shared, because you just don't want somebody to go like, hey, mine is bigger than yours or mine is smaller and that one. No, that argument shouldn't be happening in your household. Anyway, so once you've actually portioned your Moi Moi into each and every case, now carefully pour your boiling water into your baking tray, ensuring that it doesn't pour inside your tin. So what I'm actually going to be doing here is called the bain-marie process. So this is hot, and I'm now going to use a foil to actually cover this. So what that does is going to trap the steam in. So I'm going to place this in the oven for about 14 minutes, and the steam will just cook this just perfectly. And that's it. After that, I take it out, and to test it, just insert your little stick or skewer. And if it comes out clean, your Moi Moi is perfect. Now, this is the Nigerian recipe, which of course I've just added my own twist to as well. I'm just enjoying exploring all the various ingredients and, recipes across the continent, because I tell you what, they're vast. And no, I'm not going to pigeonhole myself. I'm going to eat all of it, because I do know that in the northern part of Ghana, there's something similar which is called tubani as well. So yes, same difference. But anyway, I will actually try to make that recipe as well. But here you have your pièce de résistance. Here you have your Moi Moi. I hope you are inspired to try the recipe. And if you've not clicked the subscribe button, I don't even know what you're waiting for now. I'm lying here and I'm tired and I'm still doing my voiceover. So I know they know why they click the subscribe button. Please just subscribe. Thank you. And also like the video. If you do like it, give it the like button, definitely. And leave a comment. I do love reading your comments, definitely. It does motivate me a lot, so don't stop. Now, I'll leave a list of all the ingredients, including the measurements, on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as ndudubyfafa. Now, until next time, take care of you. Be nice, be beautiful, and guess what? I love you.